Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your pharmacy assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, and welcome to this video about Dimethicone. This is a medication that can really help you out in certain situations. First things first, what exactly Dimethicone? It's a type of silicone that's mostly used for skin problems like irritation and itching. You can find it in creams, lotions, and other products that you put directly on your skin. So, what exactly is Dimethicone used for? Dimethicone is really helpful for treating things like dermatitis, eczema, and dry skin. It's also commonly found in baby products, like diaper rash creams, because it creates a protective barrier. And how does it actually work? Basically, Dimethicone forms a layer on top of your skin that locks in moisture and protects it from anything that could irritate it. This not only soothes itching and dryness, but it also helps your skin heal faster. Now, when it comes to how much to use and how to use it, it's super important to follow your doctor's instructions or the directions on the product. Usually, you'll apply a thin layer to the affected area between 1 and 3 times a day. Don't use more than recommended because it won't necessarily help more, and it could even cause some problems. Now, let's talk about side effects and precautions. Dimethicone is generally safe to use, but some people might experience a little bit of redness or burning where they applied it. If you notice any bad reaction, stop using it and talk to your doctor. So, to sum it all up, Dimethicone is a super useful tool for treating a variety of skin problems. Just remember to always follow the instructions and talk to a healthcare professional if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.